Good day, folks, and welcome back to Ancestry Legal. Joining me today is Melissa Belcher, the owner attorney of the practice, and she focuses exclusively and specializes in estate planning. As we've already established, Melissa, in the previous videos and questions that have come from viewers, they keep getting a little more engaging. This time around, we have a deeper question, and that is, what is a healthcare power of attorney?
Well, that is a really good question. A power of attorney is a document that gives someone the ability to make decisions during your lifetime. And a healthcare power of attorney is it's a very specialized power of attorney. So it spells out exactly what you want healthcare decisions someone to make on your behalf as your agent. Healthcare decisions can include which treatments or procedures should be carried out, which medication to take, where you want to receive treatment. A power of attorney typically will come into effect when you've been declared incompetent, whether that is a permanent incompetence or a temporary incompetence. When you become competent again, your power of attorney will no longer be in effect. And you can also make a power of attorney effective immediately when you sign it.
All right. So there was an alternative question that came up, but to me sounds like it's going down the same route, but maybe they're different. And that is, what is then a healthcare directive?
A healthcare directive it's an advanced healthcare directive. It's a directive to your physicians stating whether or not you want life support. Typically, if two physicians declare you to be in a terminal state, the advanced healthcare directive will become effective. And this will inform physicians whether you want artificial hydration or nutrition. The purpose of the healthcare directive is to ensure that your wishes are carried out as to whether you would like to be kept alive by all means possible if you're in a terminal state, or if you would like to die a natural death.
Okay. So there was another question related to this, and it is then, what is a living will? Is it different?
Well, a living will is very similar. It's an expression of your desires regarding life-sustaining treatment when death is imminent. So, do you want hydration and nutrition? Do you want hydration but not nutrition? Do you want no hydration, no nutrition? I want everything possible done. So there's a lot of similarities between a living will and a healthcare directive. A living will is only triggered when you are in a terminal illness state.
Okay. So I see there are a few more questions that are coming in here. Do we have time maybe to take one more?
Um, sure.
All right. So then the last question that we have that we'll take today is, what is included in the will package through Ancestry Legal?
Okay, so when I consult with people, um, I listen to what their situation is, what their desires are, and will either present like a will package or a trust package. And that's because to truly do effective estate planning, we've talked about all these other documents, such as the healthcare power of attorney, the living will. So when I do a will package, it's a flat fee, and it would be a last will and testament, the power of attorney, and the power of attorney can name out your specific healthcare power of attorney authority that you're giving to another person who would be acting as your agent. You also have financial power of attorney. You can just do a durable power of attorney, but some Banks won't accept a durable power of attorney. So, the last will and testament, power of attorney, living will, and a healthcare directive. You need to have those to truly have your wishes on the proper documents. So, those four
Excellent.
documents.
Excellent. So, folks, as we've established, the questions are becoming more and more complex by nature of what is being asked. And I think as one thinks a little bit deeper about, what is my will and how do I have that expressed, documented, made legal, and enforceable, very clear to me that you need to have a consultation session so that you can flesh out all of these issues and matters, and that you don't find yourself in a situation where something's been overlooked and as a result somebody accidentally becomes disinherited, or you end up with some other large living problems in the event of your incapacity. So if you don't have that, folks, reach out to Ancestry Legal. That's Melissa at ancestrylegal.com. That's the best person to go to. She's the specialist, highly credentialed. I would strongly recommend that you reach out to Melissa if you haven't done so already. But now remember, do not go away because there are more questions that will come in the next episode. Thank you.
Thank you.